Welcome to a space where design meets comfort. Today, we take you through a home that blends aesthetics with functionality. Let's begin this journey. First impressions matter. The foyer is the perfect introduction to the home, elegant, welcoming, and setting the stage for what lies ahead. A space where stories unfold. Whether it's cozy family time or entertaining guests, this living room is designed to bring warmth, comfort, and a touch of sophistication. Designed for relaxation, the TV unit seamlessly integrates into the living space, offering a clutter-free and stylish entertainment experience. A blend of function and beauty. The crockery unit is more than just storage. It's a statement piece, adding charm to the dining and living space, where culinary magic happens. This kitchen is not just about cooking, it's about crafting experiences, sharing meals, and making memories. A warm welcome for visitors. The guest bedroom is designed for comfort and convenience, making every guest feel at home. Luxury meets functionality. The walk-in closet in the guest bedroom provides ample storage while maintaining a sleek and organized look. A private sanctuary. The guest bathroom is thoughtfully designed to be both stylish and practical, offering a relaxing experience. The heart of personal comfort. This master bedroom is a perfect retreat, combining elegance, warmth, and a calming ambience. A wardrobe space that's not just storage, it's a lifestyle. The walk-in closet in the master bedroom ensures every item has its place. A spa-like escape. The master bathroom blends luxury with functionality, offering a peaceful retreat after a long day. Every corner of this home tells a story of thoughtful design and effortless elegance. Which space is your favorite? Let us know in the comments.